Visitors here at Mission Trails Regional Park can soon expect construction to begin right here on Father Junipero Serra Trail. The project will install a new residuals pipeline and rehabilitate an existing sewer pipeline. This part of the project is 10 miles long, beginning in Santee and ending in Mission Valley, with 2.6 miles within Mission Trails Regional Park. During construction, this gate near the visitor center will be closed to vehicles, but the trail will remain open for the majority of construction to pedestrians and bicyclists. The project will kick off with mobilization and installation of a bypass pipeline. The bypass pipeline is a 32-inch black HDPE pipe that will be above grade throughout the entire stretch of the park. The bypass pipeline serves to convey wastewater while the force main is being rehabilitated, which protects the park against unwanted sewer spills. During construction, access to the trailheads will remain open to the extent possible. To stay up to date on construction impacts, you can visit eastcountyawp.com or search for East County AWP on social media.